Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. This is the October box. I feel like this month's box came a little earlier than I was expecting it to. I don't know, maybe, yeah, I don't know. I feel like it came a little sooner than I was expecting it to. But anyways, I already know what one of the products are, so I'm very excited about it. Every month I do the base box, which is $25 a month. It's, you know, it's the base box and you get to choose one of the items. So I'm really excited about the item that I got to choose. So hopefully it's a good fit. So as soon as you open it, you get a pamphlet as well as all the products, and the pamphlet right here tells you the theme, and this month's theme is Candy Shop, and on the back it tells you all the products that you get as well as retail value. So we'll go through that as we're going by. So first thing that I see right here that I am really excited about is this Luxie brush set right here. I've gotten so many brushes from Luxie, from Boxycharm, and I love the quality of the brushes. So this retails you for $40 and it's a 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. I feel like I can never have enough brushes, so I'm just excited. I'm very, very excited. I don't know what it is, but if you guys get really good quality brushes, you know what I'm talking about. And this is actually interesting. This is just a regular spoolie brush. There's nothing on the end of it. I've never gotten a brush with just a spoolie. Usually I have all these little disposable ones, or I keep the ones with my brow pencils to use and just reuse over and over again, but that's convenient. But yeah, I like this. I'm very, very excited. And I love that it came with a little pouch, perfect for traveling. I also like to keep extra little spare brushes with me, but this is perfect because I feel like I can put my lip liners in here in my makeup bag. So I did say how much this was, right? $40 in case I didn't. Next product is Sol Janeiro. It's a Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. There's something else over here, but I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not gonna go there. And this retails you for $20. It's just a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers your lips with delicious blend of this same word that I can't pronounce, butter, and a bunch of other things. So it's supposed to be super conditioning and it's supposed to help you with dry, rough lips. And it says with a scrumptious aroma of something else I can't pronounce. Okay, there's a lot going on here that I cannot pronounce, but this retails you for $20. Look how cute the packaging is. Yeah, this is really cute. So this is in the shade Soulmate. Yeah, Soulmate. So we're just, oh, okay. So this smells like something. I don't know. So it actually has a really light tint. It looks like the color of my natural lips. So I'm not mad at that at all, but it looks really, really dark in the packaging, but it's just really lightly tinted. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells like something from my childhood. You know what I mean? When there's just something that it reminds you of, you can't really place it, but you kind of remember the time. You know, I'm not wearing this right, but anyways, it reminds me of something from my childhood. Moving on to the next product, and the next product is the product that I picked, so I'm the most excited about this. Did that make any sense at all? Anyways, it is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. So the shade that I picked up was Medium Tan 17. They had a bunch of shades that I was able to pick from, but I've never tried any of Dose of Colors concealers or really any other products except their lipstick. It was a bullet lipstick from Desi and Katie's. Oh, and actually one of their eyeshadows. Okay, so I take it back. But as far as concealers, no, I've never tried any other concealers, and I wasn't really sure if this was going to match, but I went online, I went on YouTube, and I was looking for a couple of people with similar skin tones to mine, and a bunch of them picked this, and they seemed to really like it. And it wasn't sponsored, so they seem to really like it, but this is the shade. I'm hoping that once I get back to my fall winter shade, because I am pretty tan right now, that it'll match me a lot better, but it actually doesn't look like it's going to be too bad at all. So very excited about this. It's supposed to be full coverage and lightweight. And it's supposed to be really good for dark circles. I do have pretty dark circles. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell, but honestly, in the camera, it's not picking up as how terrible it is versus it being in person. It's pretty good. But this retails you for $24. So very excited. I will be testing that out very, very soon. I can never have enough concealers. Next product is from Ace Beauty. It is a Draw It lip liner. This is what it looks like. It is a lip liner duo. And this retails you for $16. So there are 2 lip liners in here. So I like Ace Beauty's products. I have a couple other products that I've gotten in the past from Boxycharm, and I love everything that I've gotten from the brand so far. So the first shade looks like a really nice red. It's called So Gorgeous. And I'm just gonna do a little swatch. Oh, that's very, very creamy. It's very creamy, very pigmented. I barely put anything on, and it went on really, really extreme. Okay, really intense, really opaque, really pigmented. That's what I meant. Sometimes the words just don't come out right. Okay, and the next shade is Be Peachy. Oh yes, this is different. Okay, so this is both shades. The Be Peachy looks more of a cool tone, light mauve nude, if that makes any sense. But that's what it's pulling like on my skin tone. And oh, okay, so this is a retractable pencil. At first I thought, I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see it. Let me just do it like this. It's retractable. So do not try sharpening this. Right here is retractable, and I'm assuming this little part over here, this bottom part, is the sharpener. It's exactly what I thought. Can you guys see? Am I blocking it? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? See? Okay. So yes, do not sharpen this. It is retractable. Just roll. Just roll, and you are good to go. Let me just kind of clean my hands off, because anytime I swatch things, I always tend to get it everywhere, including on myself. So anyways, the last product is a palette. Did I say the last product? Yeah, the last product is a palette. This is from Ciate London. It is the New England Editor palette. I don't think I own any Ciate London palettes. I have a couple of their other products that I do like, so I like the brand, but I've never tried any of their palettes, so I don't really know exactly what to expect. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute, very sleek. I love pink. I feel like you guys know that by now. But okay, I always make sure I was hope that my palettes aren't destroyed, being in the mail and everything. But this is what the palette looks like. This actually reminds me of the Makeup Revolution and Soap X palette. Just the design, the colors, the layout, it just looks very, very similar. And I'm not saying that it's exactly what it is, but I'm just saying it reminds me of it. But it has a good amount of mattes and a really good selection of colors, so I feel like you can do a lot with this palette. So I'm really, really excited. And I feel like I so badly want to do a blue look, but I always gravitate towards blues, so I'm gonna have to try to switch it up for, a little first impressions, little try on, little tutorial for you guys. But I am very excited. I think so far overall, this box was pretty good. I don't have any complaints about anything at all, like at all. At first I thought that the lip balm was going to be a little too dark because it looked really dark, but it just had the lightest tint, and it just looks like my lip shade. So no complaints. I'm pretty excited. So I will film a separate video for you guys, just testing out some of these products and just doing a little tutorial and just reviewing these things for you. But so far I'm pretty excited. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.